Hi YouTube friends, welcome to my channel, welcome to Olive's Tree. I'm Mandy and I'm one of the 12 branches on my mum Olive's Tree. Make some fresh Play-Doh. What's in the fridge is all squished together in now one colour. And I'm going to do the Play-Doh. I'm going to put some eucalyptus oil in it and some glitter and a little bit of food colouring. So it's just got a bit of a Christmassy vibe. I did have some bigger glitter pieces to go in it, but I can't remember where I put them. So I might have to add them later and put up a shot. But I do have some normal glitter. So let's get started. Okay, let's just have a look and see what we've got here. It's very, very simple. Not many ingredients in this recipe at all. That's quite surprising. So I've got a cup of salt in there, and I'm going to add in 2 cups of plain flour straight into the pot. That's about right. We'll finish that bit off. Whoops, everywhere. And then I want to add in 1 tablespoon of cream of tartar. So in that goes. And I want to add in 2 tablespoons of just any old cooking oil that you have. So I'll just pop that in there as well. And the only other ingredient that we're going to put in at the moment is 2 cups of, turn the heat on, 2 cups of water. And I've got warm water just so it'll, speed up a little bit, I hope. Alrighty. I hope that you can see what's going on there. We'll just center that a bit more. Now, this recipe, it is very, very easy. It's very, very straightforward. At this point, it looks pretty ordinary and lumpy and, like nothing's ever going to come out of it. But keep stirring and it will start to thicken, and then you'll see it starting to cook where it's hitting the surface. And we just keep doing that until it's formed a solid ball. Otherwise, it'll go moldy really quickly. And at that point, I'll add in some eucalyptus oil and some food colouring. So let's just keep going. I don't want this bright red, and this won't go bright red anyway. It'll go more of a pinky colour, but the grandkids will love it, and I'll have some fun playing with it with them. As you can see, it's coming together quite quickly now, but it just still needs a small amount of cooking. It's quite hard to stir at this point, so just try and get that top layer down to the bottom so that it cooks all the way through. And that's actually pretty good. It looks like there's no wet bits left in there, so I think we're probably safe to take that off the heat. Alrighty, so I've got it out onto the bench now. I'm just going to knead it to get that colour sort of distributed properly through, but I'm also going to add in some glitter. So I'm just going to bring you down where you can see what's going on. It's a little bit mottly at the moment and it is quite hot. Only doing the 1 colour, but I'm just going to, and it smells beautiful with the eucalyptus oil. You can put, well, I have made it with lavender and, different calming blends. You can do orange, oils. You can do Christmassy things. I've put cinnamon in there before. There's so many different ways that you can, scent this. And some of the oils like eucalyptus and lavender and tea tree oil and whatever, they've got really good germicidal properties. So they actually, help with those germs we often get on little ones' hands. And we'll just try that amount first. And hopefully I don't need any more red. As I said, I just want this to be a pink colour. It's still quite warm, but it feels really great. Let's get you back up here. So it's not just, lurid glitter. I'm not sure if you can pick that up under the light. I hope that you can. I just need to go down a little bit. Can you see little bits of glitter? Sort of bit of a here and there. Anyway, whether you can see it or not, I don't know. I'll have to have a look when the video is finished. But It is a really good recipe, and what a great present to make if you've got little kids that might be coming to your house on Christmas Day and you think, oh, you know, how do we entertain them? What do we do? Make some Play-Doh, gift it to them in a little, you know, container or bag or whatever, maybe with some $2 cutters from the reject shop or whatever. And, you know, that'll keep them busy for hours. They can take it home, make a mess in their house instead of yours next time. And, yeah, I'll put a costing up for it. And I will actually add another video with or an overlay actually, of the other glitter, because I think there's some really pretty light blue and white and silver and gold, all the colors, but they're bigger pieces of glitter, so they're like little, maybe snowflakes, not sure. Anyway, I'll have a look, and I'll add an overlay at the end of this, and I'll put up the costing and also the recipe, and it'll be available in the description box as always. And yeah, so I hope you give this one a go. It's really, really fast. It's really, really easy. You know, kids love it. Okay, so I have the Play-Doh here, and you know how I couldn't find the glitter? Well, I went and bought more, and I put it away and I lost it, and I've just found it again. So seriously, don't I get through the day? All right, so here is our Play-Doh. Now, I don't think you can see on camera all the speckles of glitter. So this is what my original plan was. It smells amazing though, the eucalyptus oil, is to put some big glitter in there, some Christmassy big glitter. And I just got this from I think the reject shop. I think that's where I bought it last week. And I'm just going to knead it through and see if that adds a little bit more definition to the glitter. Hold on, hold that. Oven's telling me something. Okay. Thank goodness for timers, or I would be in serious trouble all the time. All right, so can you see now that I'm going to put it all in actually, especially all the gold. And you know what, I might as well just put it all in. It's as cheap as anything, you know, it's not expensive. The kids will use this for ages and get a lot of fun out of it, and they love glitter. I don't like cleaning it up, but they love it. So, okay. All righty. So I think now you can, it's not very smooth, of course, but I think now you can see the glitter through there. I'm not going to make it darker in colour because I don't want the colour coming, you know, I don't want to be cleaning up. I have white grout between my tiles, and I don't want to be trying to, you know how kids drop Play-Doh and they walk on it? I don't want to be trying to get the dye out of the tiles. So yeah, like you can see the glitter now, which is really cool. It smells just so good. So I'm just going to put it back into a ball shape, and oh, there's a good view. So how fun's that? So cheap, so easy. So I will put a costing for the, oops, sorry everyone, for the Play-Doh up here. It'll also be in the description with the recipe. And yeah, your grandkids or kids will get heaps of fun out of this. Maybe you've got neighbours who have little kids. What a great Christmas present for them. You know, a little pack of plastic cutters from a cheap shop. Wrap it up in a nice little cellophane with a bow. They'd love it. Okay, all right. Well, thanks for bearing with me while we sorted out the glitter dilemma. But we've got it in there now and it's all good. And yeah, I hope the world's treating you kindly. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.